What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of pasta with 10 mouth-watering recipes that'll have you slurping up every last noodle. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these recipes are totally approachable and I'm gonna guide you through every single step. We're talking about rich, flavorful sauces, perfectly cooked pasta, and combinations that'll blow your taste buds away. So grab your aprons, your biggest pots, and let's get cooking. And don't worry, I'll be sharing the exact amounts of ingredients you'll need for each recipe. And hey, if you're new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future culinary adventures. All right, folks, let's kick things off with this incredible chicken and chorizo ragu. First things first, we need to build some serious flavor. We're talking 1 pound of diced chicken thighs, 8 ounces of spicy chorizo, 1 large onion, and 4 cloves of garlic, all browned up to perfection in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Once that base is going, we're going to hit it with 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 2 cups of chicken broth, and a touch of red wine, about 1/2 cup for depth. Now we let that simmer, low and slow, allowing all those flavors to meld together into something truly magical. Don't forget to season generously with salt, pepper, and maybe a touch of red pepper flakes for an extra kick. Next up, we're going for ultimate comfort food with these Amish beef noodles. We're talking tender egg noodles bathed in a rich and savory beef broth. Start by browning 1 pound of stew beef in a Dutch oven until it's beautifully browned on all sides. Then, we'll add in 4 cups of beef broth, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped carrots, and 2 chopped celery stalks, and 1 bay leaf for that classic flavor profile. This one needs to simmer for a while, at least an hour, to let the beef get super tender and the flavors really deepen. Get ready for a creamy, cheesy dream with this chicken tetrazzini. We start with 2 cups of cooked chicken, shredded to perfection. Then we're going to make a luxurious sauce by whisking together 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of flour, 2 cups of milk, and 1 cup of chicken broth until it's smooth and thickened. Now, we stir in the cooked chicken, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 cup of diced mushrooms, and a generous 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Pour that glorious mixture over cooked spaghetti, top it off with more cheese, and bake until it's bubbly and golden brown. Let's elevate things with this restaurant-quality steakhouse pasta. We're talking perfectly cooked steak, a rich and creamy mushroom sauce, and your favorite pasta. Start by searing your steak to your desired level of doneness. While the steak rests, we'll sauté 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms in the same pan with 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and a splash of 1/4 cup of red wine. Then, we'll stir in 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and fresh herbs like 1 teaspoon of thyme and 1 teaspoon of rosemary for an incredible depth of flavor. Sometimes the simplest recipes are the best, and this tomato rigatoni is a perfect example. We're using 4 fresh, ripe tomatoes for maximum flavor. Start by sautéing 1 diced onion and 3 cloves of garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they're soft and fragrant. Then we'll add in the crushed tomatoes, a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity, and a handful of fresh basil leaves. Let that simmer while you cook 400 grams of rigatoni to al dente perfection, then toss it all together with a drizzle of olive oil and a generous grating of Parmesan cheese. Prepare for a flavor explosion with these spicy peanut butter ramen noodles. Don't knock it till you try it, folks. We're talking about a creamy, savory, and spicy sauce that'll blow your mind. Start by cooking your ramen noodles according to package directions. While those are cooking, whisk together 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and a touch of sesame oil for that nutty depth. Once the noodles are cooked, drain them and toss them directly into that glorious sauce. Top it off with 2 tablespoons of chopped peanuts, green onions, and maybe a fried egg for the ultimate indulgence. Let's dive into a classic Italian favorite with this tomato cannelloni. We're talking tender pasta tubes stuffed with a flavorful ricotta cheese mixture and baked in a rich tomato sauce. First, we'll make the filling by combining 2 cups of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and a touch of nutmeg. Then we'll spread a layer of 2 cups of tomato sauce in a baking dish, Fill the cannelloni tubes with the ricotta mixture and arrange them snugly in the dish. Top it off with more tomato sauce, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and bake until it's bubbly and golden brown. Get ready for a creamy, cheesy dream with this chicken carbonara. We're ditching the traditional pancetta and using succulent chicken instead. You'll need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. First, we'll cook diced chicken until it's golden brown and cooked through. While the pasta cooks, we'll whisk together 3 large eggs, 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and a touch of pasta water to create a silky smooth sauce. Once the pasta is cooked, we'll add it directly to the pan with the chicken, then quickly toss in the egg mixture off the heat to create a luscious, creamy sauce. Use 12 ounces of your favorite pasta. Sometimes you just can't beat the classics, and this spaghetti marinara is as classic as it gets. We're talking a simple, flavorful tomato sauce that lets the freshness of the ingredients shine through. Start by sautéing 1 diced onion and 3 cloves of garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they're soft and fragrant. Then we'll add in 2 cans of crushed tomatoes, a teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity, and a handful of fresh basil leaves. Let that simmer while you cook your spaghetti to al dente perfection, then toss it all together with a drizzle of olive oil and a generous grating of Parmesan cheese. Let's finish strong with this show-stopping chorizo and mozzarella gnocchi bake. We're talking pillowy gnocchi baked in a cheesy, spicy sauce that'll have everyone coming back for seconds. First, we'll brown 8 ounces of spicy chorizo in a large skillet. Then we'll add in a jar of your favorite tomato sauce, about 24 ounces, some heavy cream for richness, around 1 cup, and a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese, about 2 cups. Stir it all together until the cheese is melted and the sauce is bubbling, then gently fold in 1 pound of cooked gnocchi. Transfer it to a baking dish, top it off with more cheese, about 1 cup, and bake until it's golden brown and bubbly. Alright guys, we did it. 10 incredible pasta recipes that are guaranteed to satisfy your carb cravings. Seriously, there's something here for everyone, from classic comfort food to bold and adventurous flavors. I had a blast cooking with you today, and I can't wait to see your culinary creations. Make sure to share your pasta masterpieces with me on social media, and don't forget to subscribe for more deliciousness coming soon. Until next time, peace. And remember, for the perfect pasta, you'll need 200 grams of spaghetti, 1 cup of marinara sauce, 2 cloves of garlic, and a sprinkle of love. Happy cooking!